At the end of this assignment, you will be able to describe the features of Notepad, create and save documents, and format and print documents. Notepad is a basic text editing program and is most commonly used to view or edit text files. This is especially useful for creating HTML documents for a web page. To start Notepad, click Start, scroll down the alphabetical list left to Windows Accessories, and
व्हाट्सअप कर दीजिएगा याद
from the
पड़े
drop-down list, select Notepad.
फॉलो आएंगे अगर आइएगा तो
Application
कहिएगा तो
opens.
लेते हैं
A blank workspace
ना, आप सबको
is
नहीं,
ready
हम
for
अपना
you
जानते हैं।
to begin typing and creating a new document. In the
हम लोग को
open
जाना है
Notepad,
बाहर
type your
नाम
name
लिखाने
and
के
then
लिए।
press enter. Type your address and press enter again. You may wish to change the way your text appears. For this, select Format, Font from the menu bar. In the font window, select the font along with the style and size you require. Press OK to apply your selection to the complete text in your document. To save the file, select File, Save. Since this is a new document which is being saved for the first time, the Save As window is displayed. In the Save As window, you may specify the location where you wish to save the file and the name of the file. Click Save. Your file is stored with the extension .txt. The Save As command can be used to save a copy of a stored file with another name. Now, you may want to print a copy of your document. Click the File menu and then click Print. Another way to do this is by directly pressing Ctrl+P on the keyboard. Make the appropriate selections from the Print window and click Print. You have reached the end of the assignment. You have learned the features of Notepad, creating and saving documents, and formatting and printing documents. At the end of this assignment, you will be able to perform basic functions on a laptop such as start, lock, unlock, sign out and shut down. Explain how and when to lock and sign out from a laptop, and explain the hibernate and sleep modes of a laptop. Have you ever seen a computing device that looks like a notebook? You might have seen people at parks or coffee shops, or even at an office or school, working with these electronic notebooks. You might even have come across people using such devices while traveling. To know more about these mobile computers, please watch this video. People conveniently keep these devices on their laps or on tables. These are mobile computers called laptops. Let us see some features of laptop. A laptop offers most of the features of a desktop computer packed in a portable unit. So, a laptop is very convenient to carry anywhere. A laptop runs on battery, and this enables you to work on the move or at different desks. When you plug in a laptop, the battery recharges automatically. A laptop is fully functional. It has a built-in monitor, speakers, mouse, keyboard, and even a touchpad. So, it works well without the need to connect any external peripheral and is a compact unit. If you're not comfortable with the touchpad and keyboard, or you prefer viewing on a large monitor, you can connect the desired peripherals to your laptop very easily. You can also connect speakers, projectors, and external mouse and other mobile devices to your laptop. Using a laptop for the first time can be a slightly different experience. But don't worry, it's different, not difficult. Let us first understand the basic parts of a laptop. This is the screen. This provides the visual display of the graphical user interface. This is the power button. This is generally located above the keyboard and can be recognized by this icon of a circle with a vertical bar. This button is used to start and shut down the laptop. This is the keyboard. It is used for typing, hence it is an input device. This is a touchpad. To move the mouse cursor, you can touch your fingers on this touchpad. It is used for navigation. Now that you know what a laptop looks like, why don't we learn how to start and shut down a laptop? Please watch the video to learn how to start and shut down a laptop. To start a laptop, first look for the power button, which is generally located at either the top right or top left corner above the keyboard. Press this button. Wait for a few seconds for the laptop to come on. A screen with an attractive wallpaper is displayed with the current date and time. Press any key or click anywhere on the screen to display the sign-in screen. If more than one user is listed, click the account you want to sign in with. If an account is not password protected, you are signed in immediately. If you are prompted for a password, type in the required password and press enter. The desktop is displayed. Now your laptop is ready to use. To shut it down, click the start button. The start menu is displayed. Now click the power icon and then the shutdown option. Wait till your laptop shuts down properly. Laptops are compact and convenient, but because these are mobile devices, it becomes all the more important to keep your data confidential. Sometimes when multiple users share a laptop, it is ideal to protect the data and understand how to lock the laptop or sign out of your account. So, how is locking a laptop different from signing out? Watch this video. Some pointers you should remember before locking your laptop. You should lock your laptop if you have to leave it unattended for a few minutes and want to resume your work after coming back. When you lock your laptop, the running applications remain as you leave them. No one can access any of your documents without entering the correct password. So, locking the laptop helps protect your data from unauthorized access. Some pointers you should remember before signing out of your laptop. If more than one person uses a laptop, it is ideal to sign out of the laptop when it is not in use. Signing out ensures that if any other user signs into your laptop, they will not be able to access your data. Signing out closes all running applications, so it is important to save your work and other documents before signing out. Signing out does not turn the laptop off, so other users can immediately sign in without restarting the laptop. Once you have locked the laptop, you would also need to unlock it. You know when you should sign out of a laptop and when you should just lock it. Watch the video to understand how to sign out and lock a laptop. To lock a laptop, click on the Start button. The Start menu is displayed. Click the user account icon. A list of options is displayed. Click to select the lock option. Your laptop is locked now. Alternatively, just press the Windows plus L keys to instantly lock your laptop. The lock screen is displayed. Your laptop is locked now. No one can access your laptop without entering an appropriate password. To unlock a laptop, press any key on the keyboard or click anywhere on the screen. The sign-in screen is displayed. You can see the password box under your username. This indicates that you are still signed in, but your account is locked. To unlock it, type the correct password and click the arrow button next to it or press enter. Your laptop is unlocked and all running applications are still open, so you can quickly resume your work. If you need to share your laptop with others regularly, it is advisable to sign out of the laptop instead of just locking it. To log out of a laptop, click the Start button, then click the username icon and select Sign Out. A laptop is a lightweight mobile device. It is a virtual office for people on the move. Sometimes, laptops may refuse to function the way you expect them to. To learn about some typical problems that you may face with your laptop and also to learn how to restart the laptop, please watch the video. Your laptop might suddenly prompt you to restart or reset it. Restart automatically. Need a restart after you have installed a new application or an update. Run slow. The system may freeze. Most of these problems are solved by restarting the laptop. When you restart a laptop, it shuts down and then starts automatically. To restart a laptop, click on the Start button. Then click the power icon and select Restart. Your laptop will shut down and then start automatically. After your laptop restarts, you are required to type in your password to unlock it again. Sometimes, restarting a laptop is not a good idea, as every time you start or restart a laptop, it consumes more battery. If you want to protect your laptop without turning it off and prefer to resume your work from where you left off, you may use the hibernate or sleep mode option. To know more about the sleep and hibernate modes, please watch the video. Mr. Abraham is working on his laptop and wants to step away for a while. He wants to secure the data on his laptop. On the other hand, he does not want to shut down the laptop because he prefers to save time and battery which would be consumed in restarting it. Deliberating on this situation, what would you have done? Let us see what Mr. Abraham does. To save the battery of his laptop without turning it off and to resume work from where he left it, he can opt to either use the hibernate mode or the sleep mode. He puts the laptop on hibernate mode. The hibernate mode is better than the sleep mode. Hibernate puts all running documents and applications on the hard disk and turns a laptop completely off. Thus, the laptop uses zero power. So, power is only used to keep the laptop's state in memory while other parts are turned off. This means it uses less power. Had he opted for the sleep mode, it would have put his system into a state which would be similar to shutting down. Both modes let you resume your work from where you left off. By default, only sleep mode is enabled on your laptop. But if you are environment friendly, you should adopt the habit of hibernating your laptop when you take short breaks from your work. To do so, first you will need to enable hibernate mode on your laptop. Click Start. Scroll down the alphabetical list on the left to Windows System and click. From the drop-down list, select Control Panel. Many options are displayed. Click Power Options. The power plans are displayed on the screen. You can select a power plan from here to effectively consume less power. From the options listed on the left panel, click Choose what the power button does. Then click the Change Settings that are currently unavailable link to activate the Shutdown Settings checkboxes. Click the Hibernate Show in Power menu checkbox. To confirm the changes, click Save Changes. You can see that the Hibernate option has been added to the power menu. Let us learn how to put a laptop in hibernate mode. Click on the Start button, then click the power icon. From the displayed list of menu options, click Hibernate. The laptop goes into hibernation. Next, let us learn to put the laptop in sleep mode. Click on the Start button, then click the power icon. From the displayed list of menu options, click Sleep. The laptop is now in sleep mode. You have reached the end of the assignment. You have learned performing basic functions on a laptop such as start, lock, unlock, sign out and shut down. Securing a laptop by locking or signing out. Saving power by using the sleep and hibernate modes.
personalizing our belongings to every possible extent, don't we? You might find the 12-hour clock format easy, but your desktop displays a 24-hour format. Similarly, you might find the day, month, year format comfortable, but you can find your desktop displaying some other date format. What to do? Customize and personalize. Let's work on Windows to personalize all your desktop elements as per your convenience. Changing taskbar settings to personalize your desktop. You can personalize this notification area by choosing which tools should be displayed on your taskbar. For this, right-click on an empty space on the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down to go to the notification area. Click on the blue text that says select which icons appear on the taskbar. You will find several options such as network, volume, etc. You can turn on the options that you want to see on the taskbar. There might be some applications that are not running on your computer at present, but their icons are still visible on the taskbar. You can remove the unwanted application icons. Right-click on an icon and select the option Unpin from taskbar. You will find that the application icon is no longer visible on the taskbar. If you feel that the taskbar is taking up some space and wish to hide it, you can also do that. Right-click on an empty space on the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings. You will find an option that says Automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Turn that on. You will see that the taskbar is no longer visible. It would be visible only when you hover your cursor near the taskbar area. Similarly, you will find various other options to change your taskbar settings to personalize your desktop at your convenience.
Anita is planning to go for a 2-week college study tour. Her mother advises her to be very careful and to keep her money with herself at all times. Anita tells her that she will not be carrying too much cash. She plans to use the Bheem app for all the monetary transactions. She explains that this app is an initiative by the Indian government to popularize cashless transactions. Transfers can be done directly from one bank to another without the need of intermediate digital wallets. This app is available in different Indian languages. Let us see how to use the Bheem app. At the end of this activity, you will be able to explain the procedure to download the Bheem app and describe how to use the app. Bheem stands for Bharat Interface for Money Application. This is a unified payment interface or UPI-based platform. You can use the Bheem app to send or receive money using your mobile phone, provided your mobile number is registered with your bank. Your payment address will be your mobile number at UPI, and this is what you need to share with others to receive money from them. Let us download the Bheem app on an Android device. Open the Play Store and type Bheem in the search bar. Tap on Bheem Making India Cashless option. Install the app and open it. Now choose your preferred language and tap Next. Tap Next on the following two screens. The app will request for some permissions for verification purposes. Tap Let's get started. Tap Allow on the following two screens. If you have 2 SIM cards in your phone, you will be asked to choose the required SIM. Make sure you choose the number which is linked to your bank account and then tap Next. Now, you need to set a 4-digit passcode or PIN to open the app. Confirm the PIN once again. The Beam dashboard is displayed. You need to link your bank account to the app. Note that you can link only a single bank account. Select your bank from the displayed list. The last 4 digits of the bank account number and the IFSC code are displayed. Next, you need to set your UPI PIN. This is used to authenticate all transactions. You will be prompted to enter the last 6 digits of your debit or ATM card along with the expiry date. You will then receive a one-time password, that is OTP. If it is not already displayed, enter the OTP and set your UPI PIN. Once you have logged on to the Beam app using the passcode, your home page will show 3 links. Transactions displays past and pending transactions if any. Profile shows your payment address, that is mobile number at UPI. Bank account shows details of the linked bank account. You can also request to see your balance. You can now start receiving or transferring funds. To make a payment, on the home page, tap the Send button. Note that your beneficiary's bank account should also be linked to UPI. Enter the mobile number or payment address of the person and then tap Verify. If you have entered a valid number or address, the person's name is displayed. Enter the payment amount and remarks. Tap the Save for Future box if you wish to make payments to the same person in future and then tap the Pay button. Now enter your 6-digit UPI PIN and tap the tick mark icon. You see a message confirming that the payment has been made. As simple as that. Tap Go to Home to return to the home page. You can use the Request button to request for money from someone in a similar way. Sometimes merchants display QR codes in their stores for accepting payments. To make a payment using a QR code, tap Scan and Pay. Tap Allow to grant permission for taking pictures. After the QR code is successfully scanned, you are taken to the payments page. You can proceed with the payment as usual. In this way, you can perform all kinds of digital transactions, payments to stores, bill payments, phone recharges, and many others using the Beam app. Money is transferred instantly and transactions can be done 7 days a week and 24 hours a day. Spread the word about this convenient app and encourage everyone to move towards a cashless digital India.
Hi everyone, how are you all? You being a smart user of smartphone, I'm sure most of you would be doing payments using an UPI ID like through PhonePe, Google Pay, Amazon Pay or even Beam. Well, so while someone is paying you to Google Pay, have you faced an awkward moment where your number is correct but you have kept some rather odd and tricky name and so it left the payer reconfirming the number? Isn't it awkward? Indeed it is. A simple tip for it is to have a decent name, maybe name and surname or your company's name, so that it's clear and time saving for both. But well, this name change doesn't happen in Google Pay. For that, you have to go to Gmail. Click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Personal Info tab. Here, click on Name. It may ask you to verify your identity. Once you cross it, you will get the option to change name. Here, do change it and click
ए
Save.
सेंटर वाला फोन वाले
And now, go to Google Pay and verify.
क्या हुआ है?
Now, your changed name will appear here. Isn't it easy? Always remember, whenever you have to choose your display name, profile name, keep it decent. Just a few years back, contributing money for a common wedding gift for your friend or splitting the bill of that lunch you had with your colleagues used to end up in cash transaction. But with various wallets and UPI payment apps like Google Pay, now it has gone digital. Like here, you can see the thumbnails for people you did your recent transactions with. If you don't find the contact you want to pay to in this section, you can click New Payment and in the search bar, simply type the name of the contact. Choose the contact
तुम्हारा क्या करे जी बोले सर
and you can initiate the payment. Isn't it easy? Do try it next time when you think of paying someone in cash.
हेलो
Google Pay. Paying using QR code. Real strength of a UPI payment app is being able to pay money by simply scanning a QR code. This is one of the easiest ways of paying at a shop, and mind you, it saves us a lot of time as well. Neither do you have to manage cash and tender exact change, nor do you have to find your debit card. You can pay with just a single click. Just tap on this scan icon placed on the left top side in the Google Pay, and within a second it will scan the QR code and take you to the payment screen. I feel this is one of the best hands-free payment mode. Google Pay request money. On a busy work day, you are in a hurry. But since a visit to a grocery store is necessary, you go and quickly collect the things that you need. Now you are at the payment counter and you realize that you are falling short of just 100 rupees. What would you do? Well, you can be in safe space if you are a Google Pay user. Just open the contact from whom you can ask for money and click request. Enter the amount you need and done. This request is sent to the other person as a notification
Hello?
and can save you a lot of time.
हाँ
Isn't it easy?
क्या
The keyboard is the main input device used by all computers. Much like typewriters, the keyboard has all the letters of the alphabet, numbers 0 to 9, and additional special operational keys. Keyboards convert letters, numbers, and special characters that people understand into electrical
सबको एक में
signals.
जोड़ते हैं
These signals are sent to and processed by the system unit. Touch typing is a technique for typing quicker and more accurately with all 10 fingers without ever having to look at the keyboard. The advent of electric typewriters brought in the concept of touch typing. This made typing easier and keys needed to be lightly touched. There was less effort along with greater speed and accuracy. The touch typing system consists of assigning letters to each specific finger. Typists learn to type without looking at their fingers. Technological developments resulted in the transition of the typewriter to the computer keyboard. Using computers made it possible to enhance the appearance of text, insert pictures within documents, and do much more.